welcome back to Joan's Clan Back in a Caravan. So we're away for a week at the moment, and I just thought I would make some cheese scones in the oven. So I've tried and trusted Euro recipe, and I've put the oven on to heat up at 220. So we'll make a start. So I've got 6 ounces of flour, here, and I have got an ounce of margarine. So I'm going to start by rubbing that in together. You can also put some mustard in here, but we haven't got any powdered mustard.
And I did watch you wash your hands.
Oh, yeah, so I have washed my hands. Yeah, so you can put some mustard in here if you want to, but we haven't got any dried mustard, so just rub that in. And on the side there I've got about 3 ounces of grated cheese. It's a really easy recipe, this. Don't make cheese scones very often, do we? Do I? They are nice and tasty if you want something a bit savoury instead of sweet all the time. Right, that's nicely rubbed in. So I'm going to take the cheese and add that. There it goes. Looks an awful lot of cheese in there, but we like it nice and cheesy. And I'm going to stir that in. There we go. And then to bind all that in together, I've got 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 egg, which I've beaten together in this little pot here. So I'm going to pour that in, I'm not going to pour all of it in just in case it doesn't take it all, it might be too wet, so pour most of it in. And we'll start mixing that round to make nice dough. Put my hands in it in a minute. Oh, welcome back. Dave had to stop because the dog was trying to get out the awning. Right, so I've mixed most of that together. I've used nearly all the milk and egg actually. So I'm just going to use my hands just to knead it, the last bit together. It's not too wet. I have prepared my baking sheet as well before I started. Just put some non-stick baking parchment on it, and then that's easy to clean your baking tray afterwards. So just knead all that together.
And it is trimmed.
Oh yeah, because I had that bit hanging up before, didn't I? And I'm not used to gas oven. Get the paper catching the light. Right, nearly got all that in. Okie doke. It's alright, I'm just watching the dog here, he's trying to get out the awning. We'll be back in a second. Oh. Yes, never work with kids and dogs. So I'm going to pop that on this baking tray, and then we're going to cut it into, I haven't got a rolling pin to roll it out, so I'm just pressing it down, and then I'm going to cut into some triangles. I'm going to cook it like that. Triangular ones. Oh, I haven't got a knife. Going to have to go into the caravan and get a knife. Right, so I'm just going to cut these in half, and then I'm going to cut them into 3. Some bigger ones and some small ones. Oh, that's fallen off. And we'll pop them on our baking tray. Hello Toby, want to see what I'm doing. I haven't got much this left, so I'll just put a little bit of milk in it.
Got to wag your tail on, boy. Hey, got to wag your tail on. What you after?
I think he says I'm after one of them when they're done.
Here's the other one, come sauntering back in.
Well, we've had to stop filming because they got out the awning and took the cable with them. Right, and then we're going to cook those in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see you when we come back. I'm in the oven. I've got my little oven temperature thing there. Just put on there. I never know when the oven's ready. I'm going to put those in there for 10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Right, we'll come back to them in about 10 to 15 minutes, and hopefully they'll be done.
That's just before it comes out. As you can see, the temperature is about 220, and they look to be rising quite nicely. Oh, that's a nice, yeah.
Right then, let's have a look at these bad boys. Oh, look at that. Done to a T. Right, let's get them out onto the cooling rack. See, they're all nicely done on the bottom as well as the top. That's when you know they're done. My baking stand is the grill. Just tray, just the right size. Right, we'll see what they taste like when they've cooled down.
So there we are, 6 cheese scones, and they've even turned out better than the fruit scones we did on our first Great Caravan Bake Off.
They have actually, haven't they?
They've risen lovely.
Well, I think we know how to work the oven a bit better because we've got that thing in there, haven't we?
We have bought another shelf, an adjustable universal shelf, just to get it that little bit higher in the oven as well.
All right,
But they are gorgeous.
Oh, you Dave, your mouth's watering.
Nom 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 nom. Hi and welcome back. Here we are with our cheese scones
with butter on. So they're quite warm still. What do you think?
Oh, you can taste that mature cheese in it.
Yeah.
Don't need any mustard in that.
That's lovely, isn't it? I think that's a hit.
Drop round later, there might be one left. There probably won't be, but hey ho.
Nice. So, if you'd like this video, give us a thumbs up. It's a shame you can't taste them really, because they are lovely and they smell good. Remember to subscribe.
It's free.
It's free. And ring the bell.
And it helps the channel.
Yep.
Ring the old bell. Ding-a-dong, ding-a-dong. That you'll get notifications for the
new videos.
New vlogs videos that come out. All it leaves to say is TTFN. See you soon.